As you guys know, we recently added a new member to our family. We decided to name him Haku, which means soul or spirit in Japanese. He has brought a lot of joy and laughter to our house the last months we've had him, but boy, our puppy's a lot of work. But at the end of the day, it is 100% worth it, because no matter what happened, they will always be by your side. So if you are like us, people with a full schedule and are always busy, a quick and simple recipe that you can put together on a weeknight is a godsend. Japchae is a Korean staple at every restaurant, but it is not as intimidating to cook as you think. Check out my yakisoba video for another great weeknight recipe. So now let's get cooking. As always, the quantity for the ingredients are in the description box below. For the ingredients, you need soy sauce, sesame oil, mushroom. You can use any kinds of mushroom. I'm using shiitake and portobello mushroom, sesame seed, spring onion, carrot, garlic, king oyster mushroom, sugar, an egg, and sliced beef. Lastly, you need Korean sweet potato noodles. These noodles are slightly more chewy than wheat noodles. First up, let's marinate the beef. Simply combine the beef with garlic, sugar, black pepper, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Cover and put aside in the fridge for about half an hour to marinate. Next, cut the king oyster mushroom into bite-sized pieces. There are two different ways to cut this. I will show you both methods. Pick the cut depending on what kind of texture you prefer in your final dish. Slice the rest of the mushrooms up. Peel and cut the carrots into matchsticks. If you want a more detailed explanation on how to do this, check out my yakisoba recipe video. Cut the spring onion into 3 to 4 centimeter chunks. If it is a bit too thick, you can slice it in half as well. Cut the onion in half and slice in 2 pieces. Next, boil some water and cook the sweet potato noodles according to the packet instruction. While we wait for the water to boil, it's time for a snack break. These salted egg golden cube are basically salted egg flavor wafer. It's sweet, salty, creamy, and delicious. Next, slightly beat the egg and make a basic omelette in a fry pan. Cut the egg into slices. This will be used as garnish at the end. Stir fry the onion, carrot and spring onion for a few minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients, since these will take longer to cook. Once they are cooked, put them aside. Next, stir fry the beef until fully cooked. Finally, combine all the ingredients with the noodles and season with soy sauce, sugar, and black pepper to taste. Serve on the plate, garnish with the fried eggs and spring onion. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. See you in the next video.